Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at humans spread out. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Over time, new species of hominins, human ancestors, appeared. These human ancestors differed in key ways from those who came before them. What were later Stone Age people like? About 230,000 years ago, a group known as Neanderthals lived in Europe. Because Neanderthals sometimes buried their dead with flowers and other objects, some archaeologists suggest Neanderthals believed in life after death. Modern humans appeared about 200,000 years ago. Archaeologists call them Homo sapiens, or wise people. Homo sapiens developed a new ability, complex language. Language allowed them to pass on knowledge and skills to their young. Homo sapiens and Neanderthals lived near each other for thousands of years. Then the Neanderthals disappeared. There is no evidence of Neanderthals in Europe after about 28,000 years ago. What do we know about early human migration? Most archaeologists think Homo sapiens first appeared in Africa. From there, they began a long migration. A migration is a movement of people from their homeland to other places. Over thousands of years, modern humans spread from Africa to Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. How did humans adapt to varied environments? As humans migrated, they encountered different environments or surroundings. To survive in these different environments, they had to adapt or change their way of life. They had to find new plants to gather and new animals to hunt. They also had to adapt to a changing climate as Earth entered into an ice age. The ice age began about 70,000 years ago. During that time, much of Earth's water was held as thick sheets of ice. Living during the Ice Age meant hunter-gatherers had to build warm shelter. Some groups adapted to change by forming larger communities. A group of hunters working together could kill large animals more easily. Together they could defend themselves as well. In time, different communities began to trade with one another. Now, in summary, humans have always been a work in progress. About 230,000 years ago, the Neanderthals set up camp in Europe, showing signs of culture, like burying their dead with flowers, perhaps the first florists. Then, around 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, aka wise people, arrived with a game changer, complex language. This helped them pass on knowledge, team up, and eventually outlast the Neanderthals, who mysteriously vanished around 28,000 years ago. No, it wasn't aliens. Starting in Africa, Homo sapiens spread across the globe, adapting to different environments, hunting new animals, braving the Ice Age, and realizing teamwork made survival a lot easier. Over time, communities grew, traded, and set the stage for civilization. There you have it, folks. That is humans spread out nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. If you're human, don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons for me. Thanks a bunch, and I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.